Let me ask you something. Have you been posting videos for weeks, maybe even months, only to see single digit views? Maybe your mom, your best friend, and that is about it. You are not alone. Small YouTube channels everywhere are facing this exact issue. And today, I am here to tell you why it is happening and, more importantly, how to fix it. Stick around because I am going to break it all down into a simple steps that can help you finally get the views you deserve. Let's dive in. Welcome back and welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite Dexy Pictures TV, and on this channel I help you grow your YouTube and also help you in editing your YouTube videos and also to help you make money on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's dive into the good news we have for you guys today. Let's get started. Being a small YouTuber can feel like shouting into the void. You are putting your heart into your content, but the views just aren't coming. Sounds familiar, right? Here is a harsh reality. YouTube is saturated. Over 500 hours of content are uploaded every minute. So, how does a small creator stand out? Don't worry, I have got you covered with some simple, actionable strategies. But first, let's talk about why this happens. Why small creators aren't getting views? The first thing is the algorithm doesn't know you yet. First, let's talk about the algorithm. YouTube's recommendation system works on data, which is the watch time, the click-through rate, the audience retention. But as a small creator, you don't have enough of that data yet for YouTube to confidently recommend your videos to people. It is not that the algorithm hates you. It just doesn't know who to show your content to. That is why. The second thing is targeting the wrong audience. Another reason is that many small channels are trying to appeal to everyone on this YouTube platform. Here is the thing. If you are making content for everybody, you are really making out content for no one. You need to figure out who your target audience is. More on that later. The third thing is not standing out. Let's be real. YouTube is full of competition. If your content looks or feel like everything else out there, why would someone choose your video over someone else? You have got to stand out. The fourth one is inconsistent uploading. If you're uploading sporadically, it is hard for viewers to stick around. Consistency is key, not just for your audience, but for YouTube's algorithm to recognize your channel as active and worth promoting. Now, the good news I'm about to give you now is the part two, which is what can you do to start getting these views, to start getting a lot of views and subscribers. The first step is to niche down. Ask yourself, who do I want to watch my videos? What specific problems am I solving? Or what unique perspective am I offering? Once you figure out this, tailor your content to that audience. For example, instead of just fitness, focus on at-home workouts for beginners. See the difference? Yes, because it is emphasizing on what the beginners should know. All right. The second thing is optimize your titles, your thumbnails, and descriptions. Your description and thumbnail are a first impression. They can make or break whether someone clicks on your video. Use bold, eye-catching thumbnail and title that sparks curiosity. For example, instead of how to bake a cake, try something like 5 cake baking mistakes you are probably making and how to fix them. In this way, viewers will want to know how to fix those mistakes and they will love to watch that video. The third thing is focus on watch time and retention. YouTube's love videos that keep viewers watching. So to improve watch time, you have to hook your audience in the first 10 seconds. Use storytelling, teaser, or promises of values and make sure your videos flows. Cut the fluff and keep it engaging. The fourth one is leverage trends and keywords. One of the easiest way to get discovered is by creating content around trending topics or popular keywords in your niche. You can use tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ can help you find those keywords, can help you find what people are actually searching for. Just make sure to put your unique spin on it or your unique style on it. The fifth one is promote like crazy, right? Don't wait for people to find your video. Help them discover it. By the way, by sharing your content on social media, join communities in your niche, and even ask friends to spread the word. Just be genuine, don't spam. Because when people notice that you are spamming, what is the essence? What is the result? They will pack out. So the sixth one is what? Engage with your community. Like they said on YouTube, that engagement is huge. You need to reply to every comment, ask questions in your video, and build a connection with your audience. The more engaged your viewers are, the more likely they are to stick around and share your content. Then the seventh one is consistency and patience. You upload your videos, you are consistent, you have to be patient because the results are not just an overnight development. Finally, stay consistent. Growth takes time, especially on this YouTube platform. Set a realistic upload schedule and stick to it. Trust me, the results will come if you are persistent and keep improving. There you have it. The main reasons small YouTube channels aren't getting views and exactly what to do. I mean, what you can do to change that. Remember, success on this YouTube is not about luck. It is about your strategic, your consistency, and the way you connect with your what? Your audience. Now it is your turn. What is the first tips you are going to try? Let me know in the comment section. And hey, if you find this video helpful, smash that subscribe button for more tips to grow your channel. Let's make your YouTube dream a reality. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that notification bell beside it and see you in my next video. Bye for now.